Dear students, today we are going to discuss a lovely workshop and session with a lot of confusion which you have for story writing. I want to clear it all. आप लोग के दिमाग में बहुत सारे भ्रम रहते हैं, क्या लिखना है क्या नहीं लिखना है, उन सब को दूर करना चाहो. देखिए, साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट वॉज टू आइडेंटिफाई, आपको पहचानने के लिए बनाया गया. It was the objective of the psychological test was to pick up the slips, to pick up the attitudes, to pick up the faking. Faking means making an artificial impression. To pick up what are you writing from your heart. आपको बार बार साइकोलॉजिस्ट मनोवैज्ञानिक कहता है कि दिल से लिखो, जो मन में आए वो लिखो. क्यों कहता है? क्योंकि वो चाहता है कि आप फेक मत करो, फर्जी मत लिखो, गलत मत लिखो, बनावटी मत लिखो, जो लिखो सही लिखो. That's exactly what they want from you. इसको थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश करिए. पर जब आप सोचने पे आते हो, आपका परसेप्शन, देखने का दृष्टिकोण जब सही नहीं होता है तो स्टोरी कहां से अच्छी आएगी? If your perception style is not good, how do you expect the story to fall rightly? No, not possible. So the perception has to be starting right. Now imagine a male talking with a female. I want your attention, please. Imagine your male talking with a female. Now female is taking the male as a junior or a brother, and the male is living with a, in mind, originated in mind, a desire in the mind itself. He is thinking the female as his would-be wife. Now imagine the entire confusion which will rise, because the lady, the girl is having a different perception, the man is having a different perception, the boy is having a different perception. Now this kind of confusions, where do they come from? Perception. कहां से आते हैं? सोच से आते हैं. Many times girls get proposal from good friends and they said, I never thought about you like this. Now where was the problem? The problem was that neither the boy confirmed with the girl, neither the girl clarified. And suddenly when the sword fell, in the sense that person came forward with saying some proposal, everyone was shocked. Now where is the problem? The problem is the perceptual style, सोचने का ढंग. तो हमें अगर सही माने में अपनी कहानी सुधारनी है, if we really want to improve our story, we should go into correction of our perception. अपनी सोच सुधारनी. We have to correct that. We have to start from there. And the moment we do that, we'll do wonderful. Let's talk about it. Understanding and utilizing. Now this is for the armed forces. Of course, we put this picture purposefully because you are coming for an army interview. You are supposed to have few things for sure in your mind. नहीं तो बेकार दे रहे हैं सर भी. One, you must be having a desire to join the armed forces. Am I right? There must be some genuine reason for joining the armed forces. That can be a family legacy. That can be liking for the environment. That can be very comfortable with the cantonment. That can be n number of resources, n number of things. That can be inspiration. That can be ideas how you are picked up from your parents or whatever. That can be your exposure. So one thing you have to be very clear कि आर्मी क्यों ज्वाइन करे भाई? इसलिए क्योंकि कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन आए. That is why we have said this. So once you are clear with this, then you are also very clear that you live in positivity. अगर आप पॉजिटिव नहीं हो तो आर्मी में तो लोग सोचेंगे कि अरे यार कल को टेररिस्ट अटैक में मारे जाओगे, पुलवामा तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा है, पहलगाम तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा है. भाई, इट इज नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. दिस इज एक्सीडेंटल. इट कैन हैपन एनीवेयर. रोज न्यूज़पेपर निकालिए और कितने सारे एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं एवरी डे. यू फाइंड पीपल आर डाइंग इन एक्सीडेंट्स. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, एक्सीडेंटल डेथ इज मच मोर, many times more, and it is happening daily. but there is no recognition, so nobody is thinking of it. They only read it, they feel sad for a moment, and they move on to the next paper, doesn't it? So therefore, पॉजिटिविटी भी आप में होनी चाहिए, फौज ज्वाइन करने की इच्छा होनी चाहिए। और तीसरी बात, हम लोग वी आर नॉट कलेक्टिंग मंकीज इन द आर्मी, बंदर नहीं इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं कि जो चाहे जिससे लड़ने लगे। नो, बिकॉज टुडेज मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर हैज टू बी स्ट्रक्चर्ड, हैज टू बी प्लान्ड। अब आजकल लड़ाइयां बिल्कुल सटीक होती है, दुश्मन के लिए होती हैं, जन साधारण को बचाने के लिए बनाई जाती हैं। द ड्रोन कल्चर इज वॉक्ड इन, even the missiles are given clear instructions with exact locations, and they use those instructions and bang on, they fall there where they are supposed to. So इसी तरीके से आपको समझना है। पहले ये पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ, आर्मी क्यों ज्वाइन करनी है? Yes, I want you all to look up. I don't want you to look down. If you don't want to listen from the back benches, leave. But otherwise pay attention. परसेप्शन क्लियर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब तक ये सोचने की कहानियां दिखेंगी नहीं, कहानियां समझ भी नहीं आएंगी। और ये तीनों चीज अगर कहानी के प्रारूप से टकराएंगी, दैट मीन्स इन योर स्टोरी यू आर राइटिंग एन नंबर ऑफ स्टोरी ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट, व्हाट यू थिंक विल हैपन? दे विल आइडेंटिफाई दैट यू डोंट वांट टू जॉइन द आर्म फोर्सेस. If you keep writing something about, like many of these soldiers, they keep writing IAS stories. And then they say, I want to join the armed forces. अरे भैया साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट में IAS बन के पूरी DM डिस्ट्रिक्ट चलाने की इच्छा रखते हो और फिर बोलते हो आर्मी में ऑफिसर बनना है सर। भाई कम से कम अपने दिमाग को तो सही कर लो। अगर दिमाग में छिपा प्रारूप है IAS बनना है, तो फिर यहाँ क्या करने आए हो? What have you come here for? So इसलिए कहानी लिखने से पहले अपने भाव को क्लियर करो। तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Are you having these three important dimensions? जोश and होश. जोश is for positivity and होश is for intelligence. बुद्धि लगानी है, बहादुरी दिखानी है। बुद्धि लगानी है, बहादुरी दिखानी है। और दूसरा, देश सेवा में इस प्रारूप में, वैसे तो सभी लोग देश सेवा कर रहे हैं, एवरीबडी इज सर्विंग द कंट्री, बट यू वांट टू डू इट विद द यूनिफॉर्म, एम आई राइट? सो देन वी विल बिगिन विद द परसेप्शन, बिकॉज कम से कम बेसिक इंफ्रा तो रेडी होना चाहिए। अब खंबे खड़े नहीं, बिल्डिंग खड़ी कर दें हम? वाई आर यू रशिंग? इज इट क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आ रहा है? तो क्यों फौज ज्वाइन करनी, क्या चीज है, ये क्लियर हो गया। नेक्स्ट लेट्स गो फर्दर। अंडरस्टैंडिंग परसेप्शन स्टाइल्स। देखिए 3 प्रकार की तस्वीरें आपको मिलेंगी और 3 प्रकार के सोचने के ढंग होते हैं। देयर आर 3 काइंड ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस एंड देयर आर 3 काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर्स व्हिच आर शोन टू यू। देयर इज वन थॉट प्रोसेस व्हिच इज ऑफ पॉजिटिव साइड, there is one thought process which is of negative side, and there is one thought process which is of neutral side. When you get a picture and you write a picture of award or anything and you have positivity, then you should go for a positive side. When you have a picture which is of negativity, right, then you should know that negativity will not stay for long. नकारात्मक चीज, जो लोग पॉजिटिव हो ऐसे ही सोचते, बुरे दिन में बोलते हिम्मत रखो, दिन बदलेंगे। अब वंडरफुल थिंग व्हेन आई आल्सो सी बैड टाइम्स, आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन वन प्रोवर्ब ऑन द लाइटर साइड। ये ह्यूमर है, आई गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय वन लाइन, बताओ कौन सी? एवरी डॉग हैज हिज डे। हर कुत्ते के दिन आते। इसी को सोच के खुश होता हूं कि आफ्टर ऑल इवन इफ आई एम वर्स्ट, I am a dog, I will also have a day. So always remember, positive लोग कभी भी नेगेटिव पिक्चर को, कभी नेगेटिविटी देखते ही नहीं है। They always see in a positive dimension of solving it. They never highlighted it. There are some people who take a negative story and highlight उसमें ये भी हो रखा, ये भी हो रखा, मार कष्ट बढ़ा देते हैं. ये कहाँ से लिख रहा है कौन? Who is writing the story? Who is writing the story? You. Whose pen is it? Yours. Whose mind is behind it? Yours. So how can you see that? Because you are thinking that way. So अगर अपने विचारों को, आपके नकारात्मक विचार घर दिमाग में घर कर गए हैं और आप सोचते हैं तस्वीर में हमें नकारात्मक लिखना है, तो माफी चाहूंगा, आशा ही जीवन है. ट्रक में लिखा रहता है आशा ही जीवन. वेरी इंस्पायरिंग लाइन्स ऑलवेज बिहाइंड द ट्रक्स. आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दिस. बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी लाइनें लिखी रहती हैं अक्सर गाड़ी हाईवे में. आई यूज्ड टू रीड दैट and they are very lovely, they are very inspiring also. So if a person has asha in his life, not talking about a girl, I'm talking about asha as a hope in his life, will he write a story where there is no hope? Come on, tell me. No. So you will refer only the positive part. If you've seen an accident, you will love to save the person's life. Will you believe that he is gone? Or you went but you were too late? Will you believe that? Now remember one more thing very importantly, all of you. In your story, you are not shown a video, you are shown a picture. There is no past behind it, there is no future behind it. It's only a picture. Who's going to write the past and future? You. They are not interested too much in your past, but they are certainly interested in your perception of future. किस तरीके से आगे भविष्य में क्या सोचते हैं, क्या करेंगे, they are interested. So अगर नेगेटिव पिक्चर्स में आप फ्यूचर को सोच के मेहनत करते हो, आप में डिटर्मिनेशन होगी, इंटेलिजेंस होगी, करेज होगी और कोऑपरेशन होगी, आपकी सब क्वालिटीज होंगी. बट अगर आपके मन में घर कर गया that the future is not going to be bright, you will not budge even an inch. आप कुछ नहीं करोगे. एक व्यापारी को मैंने अक्सर देखा कि when a businessman is there and he thinks of money, 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 he not spares even a single relationship. I have seen one relatives of mine, उनको money, money, money का इतना बुरा रोग है कि वो किसी को धोखे में लपेटने से बाज आते ही नहीं. वो सबके पैसे गायब करते, सबके पैसे मारते, किसी को छोड़ते नहीं. Nobody is respectful for them. They fear none. They usurp everything. They digest. And that is why they have a thought process of money, money, money. Now why I am giving you this example? I want to make you understand. If you have a businessman who thinks of money, wherever he'll go, he's sitting in a tourist place enjoying a holiday. Talk to a businessman. He will say, yeah, this business is good. Next time I'm going to open a resort. इसमें पैसा कमाऊंगा. Yes or no? He's standing in a tea shop having tea. He will say, यार ये business बहुत अच्छा है, इसमें अच्छा है, इसमें कम है. You know the way your frame of mind is. Businessman का frame of mind is always for money. So he sees that. Similarly, your mind, how does it run? If it runs positively, you will highlight the positive story. If it runs positively, you will solve the negative story. If it runs positively, you will utilize the neutral story also and make it positive. Yes, understood? Every one of you? That's very important. Now, understanding, if your positivity is there in you, you will see that. जिस तरह वो बिजनेसमैन को हर जगह पैसा दिखता है, उसी तरह आपको हर जगह पॉजिटिविटी दिखेगी और आपकी बुद्धि सिर्फ हल की तरफ जाएगी, समस्या की तरफ कम जाएगी. It will go less towards highlighting the problem. It will go more towards solving the problem. Is it clear? That's something which you guys got to understand. Your mindset, your attitude, your psychological maturity, your understanding of this so-called funny combination, the museum of human civilization. You know it and you will do well. What is positive perception style? In this opportunity, there is an opportunity in positive perception. I have defined in other lectures positivity in two parts: positive situation, positive action. In positive situation, I have shown you the pictures where a person is receiving award, उसको इनाम मिल रहा है, तो आपको पॉजिटिव सिचुएशन दिखाई देगी. आपने तुरंत अपनी कोई पुरानी कहानी जिसमें आपने अचीवमेंट किया लिख सकते हैं, या कोई जन जिसको देख के आप प्रेरित होते हैं और उसको इनाम मिला है वो लिख सकते हैं. या परिस्थिति अनुसार इफ द प्लेस इज डिफाइंड, आपको मिल गया कि फैशन शो में अवार्ड मिल रहा है, तो आपने फैशन शो के स्टाइलिस्ट को दिन रात मेहनत करके नए नए आइडियाज लगा के जीतना दिखा सकते हैं. अब यहाँ पे आप फैशन शो वाले तो नहीं है, बट आपकी जो स्टाइल है दिन रात मेहनत करना, नए नए आइडियाज लगाना, वो सामने साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास पहुंच जाएगा. इट विल रीच द साइकोलॉजिस्ट. He will understand that you are able to adapt yourself and you are able to work hard with the right set of attitudes and achieve in whatever condition. That is it. So remember, opportunity आपको देखनी चाहिए, growth दिखनी चाहिए, leadership दिखनी चाहिए, and solution दिखनी चाहिए in difficulty, not problems of difficulty. Accident है तो solution को सोचना है, जंगल में फंसे हो तो सोल्यूशन को सोचना. Everything, even in the SRTs, you have to do that, because SRT is a small form of your TAT, but TAT is a magnified form of your thought process. समझ में आ रहा है? Everybody getting it? Now, SSB impact क्या है? Shows optimism, initiative, leadership. ये एक बात याद रखिएगा, whenever we plan to do anything, it doesn't happen dot to dot. No, there are modulations. जो हम चाहते वैसे नहीं होता, कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो जाता, पर होता है. That is called effective intelligence. You got to get it done. Then highly regarded. Why we like it? Because leadership, we are short of leaders. People don't want to come forward. People feel, now suppose I am a teacher and teaching many. Till I was sitting behind, nobody will say anything. But when I'll come in the forefront, then somebody will speak something negative also, something positive also, sometimes something else. So what the purpose, why it happens? Because you are on the stage. So when you are on the stage, there will be effect. Leaders, we have shortcoming of leaders. People are not coming forward. Teachers are now going back, because they are not taking interest. We are not like US or UK, where teachers are well respected, well paid, because they are the future of the nation. No, in India the teachers have been very ill treated, and where they are being consumed in your governmental college, they are hardly working. There is no way to get them there. The mindset of Indians have said that government schools don't give anything. They don't want those education, but still government is running the show. I am not against it, but I am telling you this point. It is to be understood. Monitoring, number increment has to come forward. Yes, I know step by step changes take place. Kadamdar, already the present government is doing a lot, but still, let's get back. So what is very important? Leadership is very important. One has to come forward. And this, you see in your school, college, how many people were holding positions? Hardly few. The rest all of them were living there. How many house captain? Few houses, few house captain, few house prefect, one school captain or school head boy or whatever you call it. Yes, leadership is limited. And who comes forward? Who has the tendency inside? अपने दिल में अगर उसके आवाज आती है कि मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, वो जानता है कि स्टेज में आते ही कुछ ना कुछ होगा, पर उसके अंदर वो जोश होता है, वो जुनून होता है करने का. इसीलिए वो आपसे पूछते, डू यू हैव इट इन यू? क्या है आप में वो जोश और जुनून? क्योंकि लीडरशिप करने में कई लोगों का मन नहीं लगता. वो सोचते हैं धरती में ऐसा कौन सा इनाम मिल जाएगा, क्यों इतनी मेहनत करें, why should I work hard? You getting the point? So leadership is what we are looking at, and positive perception में you will make more lead. If you have it, you will think of coming forward and doing it. अब आपको एग्जाम्पल देते हैं, a boy looking at collapsed bridge, he organizes a team, अब वो कर रहा है, but many a time you see in your normal society, people when they see a collapsed bridge, what they do? They just go nearby. Maximum the new thing which has come up, they make videos and post it. Bridge collapsed. Some villainous person, whom they are jealous of, they tell their friends go from there and make sure that they fall inside. ऐसा भी होता है. So but हमें कैसे जन चाहिए, जो रिएक्ट करे उसको सॉल्व करे. So आपकी स्टोरी में solutions आने चाहिए. Now there are some people who will say a bridge collapsed and a lot of people fell down. Many people died. So by the time he arrived, he only saved few people, but he could. Now what are you doing? You are underlining the negative more and positive less. तो positive perception में हम लोग पहले ये भी होता है, कुछ लोग सोचेंगे कि collapse हुआ, but luckily nobody was injured. ये भी सोचते हैं कुछ लोग. ये पॉजिटिविटी है. सो हाउ टू हैंडल, यू अंडरस्टूड, यस और नो, क्लियर? सो रिमेंबर पॉजिटिव स्टोरी इज डिफरेंट. अब आए नेगेटिव परसेप्शन स्टाइल. कुछ लोग हमेशा नेगेटिव सोचते हैं और तस्वीरें भी कुछ नेगेटिव मिलेंगी. वो नेगेटिव तस्वीरों में और हवा दे देते हैं, आग आई और उसमें घी भी डाल दिया. They will write of people's jealousy, they will write of people's negativity. Many people you go down and you discuss, their 90% conversation is about negativity of others. Very less percentage of convergence is from positivity. Why? Because they've lived between negative people. They discuss negativity and now they live in negativity. They are become negative. But there are many people who do not discuss negativity. They think of positivity. They think of everyone as good. They think of solving it. They think, and these few percentage is running the world. दुनिया इन्हीं से चल रही. Anyway, now definition. अब ये नेगेटिव वाले लोग क्या करते हैं? हेल्पलेसनेस उसको डिफाइन करेंगे. वो बेचारा हार गया, बड़े दिक्कत हुई, उसके ऊपर इल्जाम पड़ा और इमोशनली ब्रेक डाउन हो गया. अब ये कहानी आपने लिखी, आपने अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार ली. The moment you write such stories, you cut down your legs with your own eggs. Now, SSB pack, it shows poor coping, and maybe they will have sympathy for you कि यार बड़ा दुखी रहा है जीवन भर. But now that you have lived in that culture, your hope is zero, so they will not select you. So don't seek sympathy, seek selection. So don't write sympathetic stories, write something which is action oriented with empathy. Empathy is reacting timely with emotions, with emotional understanding. Low confidence, lack of resolve, everything. You may, this is beautifully said. In negative picture, you may take the problem briefly, but then get a turning point, get an action point, and thereafter take it wherever you want. I have said this very early. You go back to the lectures. Let me first finish with this presentation. I'll take you to the lectures where I have said very clearly, whenever you see a negative situation, accident or other thing, your first thought should be of acting to solve it. It does not have to describe how many people died or all that. Rather, how can you count when the picture is not clear? So if you have no casualty in the accident, so far so good. But if you see prominently some dead bodies, fine. And that also covered with white cloth. Otherwise, all your imagination is running towards negativity, which will be very, very unfortunate for you, very sad for you. Let's go further. Have you understood the diversion strategy? That is, you get a negative situation, you immediately, after a small description, go to the solution part. Next, neutral perception. Now, what is the definition? You tend to tell about an event or problem, write descriptive. Now, see, here they are telling how neutral story is. It has got no message, no emotions, no desire to perform. That is neutral story. You should always have a jazba. And you believe me, people with jazba, wherever they go, they will always do positive things. Let me tell you something. एक व्यक्ति है बहुत ऊर्जापूर्ण, ऊर्जावान है, वो कहीं भी किसी के पड़ोस में भी जाता है और उनके यहाँ शादी हो रही है तो क्या करता है? बैठा रहता है. Does it happen that the person who's energetic, he goes to a neighbor's friend's marriage, does he sit? You'll never find him sitting. He will go and volunteer and help in the marriage. People will automatically call him for marriage, helping them, because he has got a reputation of energetic. So neutral reaction वो कभी नहीं देगा. और अगर वो neutral reaction देख रहा है तो that person is not self-motivated. Self-motivated वो नहीं है. And he does not have the energy level to be an officer. Everybody is not going to every day tell do. In junior staff you have to tell do. But in senior they have their own propelling system. Anyway, got the point? SSB will think this person has no imagination, no leadership, no emotion, and is not revealing his personality in the positivity side. So they will not select. Now what is the diversion strategy? Add a goal or a mission. Neutral में भी तो होता है. एक बैठे लिख रहा है तो you have done debate stories, you have written science project stories. क्या दिमाग में नहीं आ रही? उसको लिखो. I told you God is inside you. The energy is inside you. The emotion is inside you. The desire to change the world is inside you. The desire to act is inside you. The desire to initiate is inside you. So where is the problem? So think and do it. And with an achievement contribution learning, this way you take a neutral thought process into positivity. Am I right? Clear? Okay. So now example, two friends board a bus. They are traveling to present the startup idea. Now they are traveling in a bus, but again he is given a direction that they are going for a startup idea. So now he has a built up of the story before and a built up of the story later. Direction मिल जाएगा. पर अगर आप उसको बिठा लोगे बस वो बैठे थे, तो that will not be. There should be a purpose, emotion which you can attach to neutral pictures. And generally neutral pictures में खास बात क्या है? They are an opportunity for the psychologist. Remember, neutral pictures is an opportunity for the psychologist to get an idea of your experiences. Neutral picture में आपके experiences, आपकी जो सोच है, आपकी जो समझदारी है, जो आपने किया है वो ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. एक बच्चा लिख रहा है, so you will think of a debate competition or a board exam or a poetry competition if the person has a history of this. The same boy, if he has a history of maths Olympiad, he will write a story on that. And should. What is wrong? Your biodata is already yelled out. बायोडेटा पहले ही चिल्ला चुका है कि आप कौन है, तो फिर what's wrong, right? Now see, negative to positive. If you have a picture which is negative, that is accident, somebody crying, somebody ill, you can make it positive, accept that there is a problem, immediately do efforts, initiative and solve it. Is it clear? So this is negative to positive, how you make it. Then there is neutral to positive. You add some purpose to a neutral situation and that you can do very well from your experiences. So there you add a purpose and then take it to positivity. In positive, keep it realistic, don't make it very outstanding, don't please go down to Harry Potter kind of broom and other thing, write a natural story, keep it realistic, make it outcome based and rich in officer-like qualities. like responsibility, teamwork, cooperation, organizing, you can write. This way, you are giving a written proof of your thought process for all this. And if your thought process is right, they will train you very well. Don't you worry. But if you have extreme thought process of negativity, your training is impossible. Or if you have poor understanding to learn, then also your training is impossible. Is it clear? Now, every picture is an opportunity to think, how to think, feel, decide and grow, and you can do that. Have you understood this key takeaways? Now, I would like to take something more. I've already done a lot of teaching in which I have defined and further defined how positive stories can be seen differently. What is positive situation? What is positive action? What is negative situation? What is negative action? You know, if you appropriately react to people as per them, you will do the best thing. If you're talking to a friend and you talk very seriously, limited, your friend won't like it. But if you talk to your father and you talk in a very casual note, or to a principal in a very casual note, then I'm sure he will not like it. So always remember that you have to be objective in your approach. कैसे लिखना है, क्या लिखना है, और अपने दिमाग में भ्रम हटाइए. काश इतने सारे चैनल्स और इतने सारे गाने वाले नहीं होते तो आप एक दो अच्छे गायकों को सुनते. बट नेवरदलेस मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप किसी को भी सुने, अपनी तर्क को किनारे मत करें. डोंट रिमूव योर लॉजिक आउट ऑफ योर हेड, so that whatever you receive from the other should be logically absorbed by you. Don't follow people blindly. That includes me. But follow me logically if you understand the logic. Hope this session has opened your eyes to a certain amount of level. Right? I would like, in addition, that you go down to TAT where I've explained you how a positive situation story is written, how a positive action story is written, how negative situation, negative action, then neutral, then predefined. Also I have taken a clear category, then vague pictures, then of course blank pictures. So if you get all these ideas, do well, get selected, and let's grow this family of Lamiltar. Thank you.